Ever felt bored and didn't know what to do? Boredom, an all too familiar sensation, often nudges us towards unhealthy habits. It's easy to fall prey to mindless munching or excessive screen time when monotony hits. But what if we told you that boredom could be a gateway to healthier habits? Intriguing, isn't it? It's time to flip the narrative and turn those dull moments into opportunities for healthful activities. So, let's delve into some healthy things you can do when you're bored. First on the list, get your body moving. It's incredible how a little physical activity can invigorate both your body and mind. When you're feeling listless or bored, why not indulge in some yoga? The slow, mindful movements not only stretch your muscles, but also help you reconnect with your breath and inner self. Or perhaps you'd prefer a brisk walk around the neighborhood, soaking in the sights and sounds of your surroundings. You might be surprised at the joy you find in these simple pleasures. If you're more rhythmically inclined, why not get your groove on with some dancing? It doesn't matter if you have two left feet. The idea is to let loose and have fun. And for those who love a good sweat session, there's always the option of a home workout. Remember, it's not about achieving record-breaking intensity. The magic lies in getting active and enjoying the process. Remember, any movement is good movement. Next, let's talk about food. It's easy to reach for chips or cookies when you're bored, but those aren't the best choices for your body or your mind. Instead, consider healthier alternatives. Fruits, for instance, are nature's candy, packed with vitamins and fiber. Nuts are another great option, brimming with healthy fats and proteins that can keep you feeling full and focused. Or better yet, why not whip up a homemade smoothie? It's a refreshing and nutritious treat that's easy to make. But healthy snacking isn't just about what you eat, it's also about how you spend your time. So, let's turn this into an opportunity to get creative in the kitchen. Try cooking or baking something new. It's a fun and productive way to occupy your time, and you'll end up with a tasty and healthy snack. Healthy snacking is not just good for your body, but it can also be a fun activity to kill boredom. Finally, let's not forget about our mind. It's just as important to exercise our mind as it is our body. One of the best ways to do this is through mindfulness activities. These activities can range from meditating, reading a good book, or even journaling. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind and reducing stress. It allows us to focus on the present moment, letting go of any worries or stressors. Just a few minutes each day can make a significant difference. Reading, on the other hand, allows us to escape into a different world, expanding our imagination and perspective. It's a great way to unwind and relax after a long day. Journaling is another mindful activity that can greatly benefit our mental health. It allows us to express our thoughts and feelings freely, providing a sense of relief and clarity. These activities are not just great for killing time, but they also contribute to your overall mental well-being. So there you have it. We've explored various ways to keep boredom at bay while staying healthy, from moving your body to keep it in shape, to indulging in wholesome snacks that nourish the body, and engaging in mindful activities that rejuvenate the mind. These activities are not just time fillers, they are steps towards a healthier lifestyle. The next time boredom creeps in, why not give these a shot? Who knows, you might find your new favorite hobby among these healthy things to do when you're bored.